The story behind Juntos 4-H started back in 2020 here in Indiana, but it originated from NC State back in 2007, and it has expanded throughout the country. The benefits that I've seen in youth that are part in Juntos 4-H are just basically they're getting leadership skills, and something in 4-H is that we always like to say is that we like giving them life skills and giving them those skills that will better them for the future.
Juntos es importante para mí porque abre las puertas para que los muchachos puedan alcanzar una meta, para que puedan alcanzar sus sueños en la parte estudiantil. Es un programa completo. De forma, en los talleres están tratando de que las familias puedan formar parte también de los muchachos que estudian.
Being in Juntos, I've seen that stepping out of your comfort zone, it helps you reach new opportunities. And those opportunities help you branch out, make new connections. I've made so many new friends just by being part of Juntos.
I think it just gives us a sense of belonging, especially for Hispanics, because we don't really get information needed for the after high school process. So I think for both me and my family, it's really important to be in the program because a lot of information is offered that we wouldn't know if we weren't in the program.
When it comes to the parents, is that they're more active with their youth and they're able to provide support and be with them throughout their academic journey.
Juntos es una muy buena manera para poder ayudar a tus hijos que tengan mejor comunicación, mejor éxito académico, que tomen mejores decisiones académicas. Vamos a aprender, vamos a crear comunidad, tanto los jóvenes como nosotros.
I think a lot of students can really benefit, not only for themselves, but their family can gain so much information. I know me personally, I was able to involve myself so much in the community, and I think that other students can just benefit from the program.
Sí recomendaría este programa a otras familias. Definitivamente es importante porque así ellos pueden visionar dónde quieren ver a sus hijos en 5 años o en 10 años. Pueden prospectar qué es lo que desean de sus hijos.
Gracias a este programa y al Club de 4-H donde soy líder, hemos aprendido a trabajar en comunidad.
Gracias a toda la información que nos han dado, mi hija se ha superado más académicamente y la han asesorado cómo desenvolverse y para que siga sus estudios.
Having a community, having a support system like Juntos 4-H is what can help other students be able to do whatever they want to do in the future and aspire for, higher education per se, but also any other opportunities that they have out there.